Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2018 all-wheel drive Kia Sportage 4. This is the top of the range model and comes with the 1.6 petrol turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 174 brake horsepower and returning up to 31 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 19 and this is a two-owner vehicle, having covered just over 41,000 miles and comes with full service history. This colour is called the Fusion White and looks in great condition for edge and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, being the car comes with many features. These include the electric front seats, and the front seats are also heated. There's a big armrest and two cup holders there in the centre for the front passengers. And then off the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen in the centre for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And then a few other features I can mention. The car also has a heated steering wheel, cruise control, climate control just over in the centre there below the multimedia screen, and then also automatic headlights and wipers. And on the driver's door card, you then have your electric folding mirror and full window controls. And then also you have the JBL sound system, which is the upgrade on the Model 4. And lastly, you've got the full-length glass roof as well, so that's nice for the summer months. The Sportage has always been a popular car for families, so lots of legroom and headroom in the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers also have their own air vents in the centre, as well as 2 charging ports. And also the outer seats are also heated, so you've got the controls there on each rear door. Opening the tailgate reveals a good sized boot there, with the rear seats that can be folded flat and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you've also got a space saver wheel, so that's great to see these days. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, front and rear parking sensors, the 19-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, and also 360-degree parking cameras. And the car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who's been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So, if you have any questions or if you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.